Okay. Almost late here today. It happens. Yeah, okay. Hmm. Something like that should work in this case. That's not correct. Yes, of course. It's not correct. Okay, let's try again. Who goes first? If C equals 0, Takahashi goes first. For Takahashi to win, he needs at least as many candies as Aoki. If Aoki goes first, then for him to win, he needs at least as many candies as Takahashi. How is it still? Did I copy the wrong input into files? 210, 220. Oh, okay. The person who goes first needs strictly more candies. Because they have, like in this case, going first is a disadvantage actually. Okay. Extreme, Takahashi, and spells. XY to cast ball. Okay. Oh, format is different. Okay. Not any issues. No. Actually, you know what? We can just have XY right? Even like this. If spell if the size is greater than xi. Oh, it says y around. Takes too long or damage too small. No, actually, if it's not too long and damage is strong enough, you want to print yes and return as well as one. Should be getting yes, no, yes. Okay, that's not good. So in second case, you fail for some reason. SD is this, right? And because initially I wanted to go with the conditions that was checking that it's impossible, and I changed the negations and forgot to test. So yes, no, yeah, yes for us, right? Very good to go. We already have one clarification. We'll have to read it later. That's a different problem. So the clarification. Yes, okay. I did not even notice this problem. We have ambitious M conditions. Condition I sets was this have one or more balls in them. Okay. Person I will put ball on dish or dish. How many? Most how many conditions will be satisfied? Excuse me. Probably I don't understand something, but it's okay. So we have what do we have? Conditions of size M. That sounds more complicated than it is. Okay. We have conditions. We want to put one ball on at least. No, actually, we only have 16, so we can just do this. best. Least. Okay. Um, it's actually not a people person. First, that's error, doesn't matter, but mm, and okay. It would be very convenient to have a tool to actually download test cases. I believe that this kind of HTML file can be easily parsed. So we have answers 2, 4, 9 for this problem. 2, 4, and 9. 27, apparently I wanted this here. 2, okay. 4 here and 9 here. 9, okay. Conditions with balls, okay. Staircase sequences, how many arithmetic progressions with a common difference of n? 1 half the sum of n. That's a math problem. I was not ready for it. Checking, of course, again into this. 12. Oh, you're allowed to have negative numbers, so that's actually kind of complicated. But common difference of 1 is really okay. So suppose that we start at A. So we go from A minus 1 minus 1B. What is the sum? What is the sum then? Should be like A plus B times A plus B plus 1 because of the pairing argument, right? Over 2. That's not A plus B, that's B minus A. Let's see, if something is negative, for example, from 2 to 5, right? From minus 2 to 5, we get what we got here, we get 3. From 5 to minus 2, minus gets plus 7, 8. Over 2, it's 4, 12, right? And it's exactly this 12. Okay. So now we're just interested in like for how many values of A and B this equals to n. Let's transform. Suppose that we know. Actually, it's not trivial when we have. Wait, like both of these have to be divisors, right? So we have sum, we have difference plus 1. They have to be divisors of 2n. So if we say like 4s divides to n, d plus 1 gets d plus 1 gets 2n over s. And then we just check that this pair is possible. And by possible, I mean that sum and difference have equal remainders mod 2, right? Mod 2. So s should not be equal to d plus 1 mod 2. Okay, and all, yeah, from sum and okay. Should I get like wait? It's okay. Like I saw that we need like all divisors, not just prime divisors. So there are too many divisors in general, but it's false. It's incorrect. What if n is positive integer? Okay. You have to be very careful when it comes to. How about just that? Here we say like if n modulo s equals 0. Okay, yeah, no stupid mistakes in that one. E equals 2 times n over s minus 1. If d mod 2 equals e mod 2, then we can always find such a and b, because what is a if we know sum and difference? We subtract and divide over 2, and for b we just add and divide over 2. Here we made it again. So like here actually, if n over s, let me close this. If n over s equals 0, the first thing that we want to wait. Sum and difference, right? If we exchange sum and difference, for example, what if our sum is 4 and difference is 2? Then numbers are 3 and 1. If our sum becomes 2 and difference is 4, and our numbers are 3 and -1. Okay, so these are different numbers. We are safe to say something. Also, this time around, it's just difference, is it? That's not difference, that's just that. Okay, yeah, S will equal 2 times T over 2 times N over T. Now we should be good to go. So we should be getting 4, 2. That's not correct. We'll do it so. Did I not read N from input or what? No, I do this. Look, all of these are correct numbers. Can difference be negative? It should not be. Like this number is at least 1. Oh, it should be a divisor of 2n. Okay. I think I will just multiply n by 2 at the beginning of my program. So should say 4. That's incorrect. If it still outputs 1, then I'm surprised. That's strange. No, actually, this is incorrect. This is unlikely that it will help us. Am I printing something? No. Okay. But hey, like, I don't know. Something clearly went wrong. I guess we can check it by hand. D is undefined. Where D is undefined? N equals 24, which is correct. Take S equals 1, D equals 30, 23. 23 is should add 1 plus answer, right? It should add like this too. And I have 2 and 11, 3 and 7. 3 and 7 should add at least another one. Am I going mad or what? This should not be a problem, right? What? Well, that's strange. And here we obviously did not want to do that. No, actually 2 is correct, right? But Now we will read that if we print everything. Oh, we're still printing. Should be getting 4, 2, and I'm think, yeah, okay. I'm not 100% sure, but looks very, very reasonable. Let's just make sure on some strange case, like 4. No, actually, like 2. 2 gives an answer of 2. Why I wanted to check 2? Because 2 times 2 is a square, so 2n is a square. We want a sum of g of like arithmetic progression to be 2. From -1 to 2 and from 2 to 2, right? I think it's very reasonable what we implemented here. Not bad, yes. And kinds of medical gems. AtCoder kingdom. Okay. Gems in raw, okay. Okay, so some sort of graph. And hi, hello. Minimum number of stones. That's it. Now we are talking. Okay. Because without this condition, it's just web connectivity problem, which is obviously not particularly difficult for to be an E problem. Okay. I don't think we'll need to edge out anytime soon. So need I be Oh, does not matter. Okay. Wait, but want to find shortest path between each pair of vertices. In theory, we very well can run like Dijkstra just 17 times. Oh, but no, actually, we just want BFS 17 times. Okay, very good. Nothing complicated here about Dijkstra. Oh man, I really need to be more careful when typing. Full Jamie. Yeah, okay. Thanks for that. It actually does not matter, but thanks for that. Suppose that you have like distances, not dp, it's distances from k size k. First argument is the size. want to know pairwise distances between these specific numbers. I would like to decrement them as well, so I will just read it old-fashioned way. That's not where it goes. Okay, so yeah, 17 BFS, we are very safe. Hmm. Can we just say like 2 times n? Yeah, we can just say n, right? No path will short longer than n minus 1. So n is enrichable. Is the answer yes? And if the answer is no, print minus 1 is that very good. And then we'll need some dp on these distances, actually. BFS gets ci. It says let's see, gets 0. While yeah, I totally forgot how to use plane. That's snippet, so what goes next? We just have the G. If distance adjacent, yeah, do is bigger than distance at vertex plus 1, BFS push back adjacent, and the distance at adjacent equals at vertex plus 1. That's it for distances. I think it might be just j equals dist ij equals cj. And then run some dp. What is the state of the dp is the last visited vertex. And oh, do we actually need all bit masks? Okay. So dp will be like okay. So last vertex and bit mask that was visited. Here, what is the max distance that we can face overall? I think it's k times n. It's actually k minus 1 times n minus 1, but it is not much. So, where will be the max elements? It's n equals, well, actually k times n. Oh, k times n is not big. K times n is not big. So here we'll need dp over submasks. So again, I'm actually a bit surprised. Like to bit mask problems in one contest reserves. Well, it's not last, but first. We have NTP at first. And 1 should first here equals 0 because we can start from anything. K is at least 1, right? Okay. So if actually ends equals mean of ends, the p and last, and like this thing as well. If ends equals k times n, then something like 1, we can graph this not connected. So print answer plus 1 because answer is like number of transitions, but there's one more vertex in this kind of thing, and there are transitions. So if bit mask has this bit turned on, TP at last bit mask should get TP at last mask. We iterate over bit mask in correct order, I think. Yes, like we will subtract here. We will look. Well, it's not a big problem, right? But we don't want empty bit mask. Do we? Okay. So each pre-mask gets minus 1 pre-lux. Yes, it's k squared times 2 to the power of k. It should be good, right? Let me just check it. 17 squared times 12 to the 17. How big is that? That's it's well below 2 seconds. It's like 200 milliseconds, I guess. If pre-mask and pre-last, that's pre-last, pre-mask. Oh, I actually did not copy any input samples. What we should be getting? 5 minus 1, 11. That's not good. It's too short. Like it's clearly too short. Oh, okay, I see. So answer for some reason gets 0 all the time. Oh, right, because oh, obviously. Doesn't matter which time, but it's thinking. 5 minus 1, 11. Well, this is incorrect, so we'll have to investigate sample case 2. This is incorrect because we want 3. We want to include 3, which is right, because like this distance does not actually exist. So here what we want is we want to say like, hey, if this is reachable, by reachable I mean this, then you can go. The previous is not reachable, then there is no way you can go. Okay, so that still does not work. For whatever reason. Okay, and previous should be reachable and distance should not be equal to n because there are no paths of length n. Is it it? Is it? Oh, I run this the same twice. Yeah, we also need the command line tool to run samples. Not actually like super safe. I think not super safe. So. Yes. That's clearly unnecessary. I want to play it a bit on the safe side, okay? Should be getting 5 minus 1 allow. I don't think we did any mistakes. Look, we clearly check if it's not reachable. And if not reachable, we don't update. So we should be good. We should be good. Magical ornaments. Okay, some technical difficulties, but we are back. We got a C for problem E. So you missed like 10 seconds. Something. Now we only left with problem F. And I copied it from like last time, so. Okay, given sequence A, it is a permutation. So for each k, find the inversion number of the sequence defined as bi equals. So we want to count inversions, but not in the sequence, not only in the sequence, but also in every rotation of the sequence. I'm not familiar with that problem, sorry, but it sounds not like particularly complicated. Wait. So we just shift and then we want to, we rotate and we want to find like everything. Wait, can't we just like compute, so first things first, we compute like for initial configuration. Then whenever a number comes from the back, we just can recompute. So, okay. I will just quickly Google inversions in array. And yeah, I guess we'll just copy paste this code because I don't have one pre-written. But obviously, like we compute number of permutation, like number of inversions, right? What the hell is that? I mean, I trust my conversions more. Okay. Because I believe I implemented it some time ago. I don't want to like do it again. I know I can do it with ordered sets actually. So I'm pretty sure that I had some submissions. No? Oh, I'm not signed in. Okay. How is that? Is it because I changed passwords? Okay. Yeah, I guess it was faster to remember how to count conversions. Yes, so, okay. What? Okay, we don't care about that. I guess. That's a different problem. Like what? Okay, never mind. So that was a big mistake. Print and lines for the case. Why do I have to print lines specifically? Okay. Anyways, answer 0 equals. Let's say we'll have function content versions, which counts inversions in A. We'll have it. And it can actually be quite some. 3 times 5, 10 to the 5, 9, 4. The answer can be up to, can be huge. Like, I don't know why is it really 60, 40. No, like actually this, for this case, we don't need. It will return something, but here I want in 64p. Means I look, what goes like final number goes first. So first number that will go is a plus number, right? So AI will go. If AI is k, strictly greater than 0. Answer uh, if AI is 3, then it means that it's greater than 2 numbers and smaller than everything else. So count of inversion will decrease by that number. Oh, increase, right? If AI is 3, because like 2 inversions will appear. Also, that many inversions will disappear. Then, yes. We can copy that here. So F1. Why do I have zeros here? Oh, That's like if 2 is in 2 square. Okay, so count inversions in I don't want like all this pre-written code. Just why do what? Why do what? Oh, it would be faster to write my own version codes. No, it's again some. Okay, you know what? I'm done with this Indian tutorials. I don't have anything against India, but their tutorials with race, it's just everybody uses vectors now. What century do you live in? And there's a very specific purpose, reason why we are here, because yeah, I forget his top contributor now, because I know that you're using it. That's not it. What is that? What is that? Man, that's not great. Okay, no. I have my very unique way of checking. Count the number of inversions. It's super unnecessarily complicated, but just implemented it not that long ago. And I more or less remember what to do here. If it's overkill, like, but okay. Further set. In, actually, it's so S 40 answer. S insert S equals S order key, I believe. Wait, do I need to greater or not? Okay, I definitely need one of these two. But which one? I think I need greater. Oh, damn it, I don't have it. It's really annoying to be on MS Windows sometimes. And you don't have GCC specific features. Is compile error considered a wrong submission? Not sure. But here, like it should 100% be present here. Should we get 9? That's incorrect. This is incorrect. Why? But hey, like first number is correct. So like 99% that it's greater. Right? So let me just quickly check to less. Change to less and it will fail, right? Right. Oh, okay. So the problem is because like we actually want to extract first element, right? Because we shift like bi is a0, so we get rid of the first element and then we do something. So here we want to. Now I have to think like first element was 4. It means that there were 4 inversions like this, like this. They disappeared. 9, 18, 21, 28, 27, 28, 33, 24, 14, 9. Oh, we actually like output one extra number. Small, smaller than m. Plus that. I don't want, in theory, it should not matter, but how do you know? How do you know? Come on. Hey, well, excuse me. What's wrong with you? I need Linux clearly 100% complete. Now it is correct, and here answer should be 0, 3, 4. Problem, which problem is it? It's problem F. Clack, GCC, GCC. It's GCC specific feature. What the? No. No. That's permutations. It should be correct. But how did it like? Why does it work? Why does it work? I mean, it passed several test cases, right? Like technically, if this 3 times 10 to the 5th, if you take this minus 2 and divide by 2, it's like it can very easily overflow. That's the problem. It can overflow. Like if you multiply this, it can overflow. But we don't overflow because we have in64p like everywhere where it's necessary. I don't understand. Are people solving it? There must be like 100 people already solved everything. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Man, damn, that's really slow. counting inversions. I don't understand. Something went wrong and I don't understand what. No, this is correct. Like, I'm pretty sure this is correct. Do I have to do this before? Should not matter. It should not matter. Why is it so slow? Yes, it does not matter. Again, we take first element out. First, we just count inversions, right? This is done here. Pretty confident it's correct. Because first number is 4. When we take it from the beginning of this thing and place it to the end, take first number from the beginning and place it to the end. It creates inversions. How many inversions does it create? Well, if this number was 0, then it's not create, like it does not remove any inversions, right? Here we remove inversions. If it was 1, then we removed 1 inversion. How many inversions did we add? If there were 3 numbers, we removed 1. It was 3 minus 1 minus 1. 1? Wait. Then, no, as 3, if n is 3, and this is 2, so it means like last element is 2. We don't count this case. What is wrong? This should work unless they, like some, either we or they should have an integer overflow. Because there is no other way where something can go wrong. Now this thing is pretty good. What it does, it's like order set that can return order of key. So I ask what is the order of this key? He answers like, what would be the position of it. But here it means like how many elements are already greater than me. Because I use this to do greater. Maybe it actually failed because I used this in the wrong order. I don't think so, but honestly, I'm not sure this was right one. I don't understand. Honestly, I don't understand. Like, it should be correct. Just stupid. Of course. Like, what the? Oh man, like 10. Is it 10 minutes or is it like even more? How can one person be that stupid? Like, I was repeatedly saying we don't want any integer overflow during like the wild contest, and then I do it myself. But how can you shoot like yourself into in a leg after repeating that you don't want to do it like 5 times? These were pretty terrible because problems were pretty easy. Yeah, just very, very stupid. And I don't know actually why we are that slow. Like obviously 10 extra minutes do not help, but otherwise, other than that, I was not even explaining things much. I was not thinking for a long time. I was just coding. It turned out to be that slow. I don't understand. How can it be? No, like that's really strange. What? You did not solve that? You did not? What goes on? What goes on? Like, something is breaking today. I don't know. People. Also, why do I not have? Yeah, that was completely unnecessary. Just so stupid. Wanted to finish earlier, you know. Spent like, no, honestly. Wait, let's not get months. First, I spent like 5 minutes debugging it, and then again, and 10 more like penalty minutes. Yeah, obviously. Like it was clearly possible to solve it faster. I don't even know what was that. Okay, never mind. Okay, so actually this time we'll release screencast and AtCoder separately. So this is it for this video. Uh, I mean, this is kind of like inside of how I actually seen during the contest, and editor is more like if you just want to know the solutions. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. And goodbye. See you next time.